No trip to the Western Pyrenees is complete without exploring les Pays-basque. Saint-Jean-de-Luz is the perfect heart of the French side of this region, which is going to allow you to explore the region to the fullest. Sitting in the middle of the world-famous Camino de Compostela, Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port is perfectly positioned, as you're going to see later, to visit the entire Basque area. As for the village itself, its main defining feature is the artery that runs through the heart of town down towards the river. This jaw-dropping pedestrian street is completely littered in Basque culture. From small shops, restaurants, and cute little boutique hotels, this is where you're going to find all the things that make this village so special. Sitting 730 kilometers from the target goal of Santiago de Compostela, Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port is a must-stop village for any traveler heading down the Camino de Compostela. It is so popular that every evening the village holds a pilgrim's mass for all the backpackers coming through the region. With a population of just over 1,500 people, the village is the perfect size to have a little bit of everything, yet none of the hustle and bustle of some of the bigger villages in the region. Another thing that makes the village so special is that they've kept all that vehicle traffic to the outside, so those pedestrian streets really give you the charm of being lost in time in a French village down by a river with water flowing down from the Pyrenees mountains. Branching off from the pedestrian street, up at the top of the hill beside town is where you're going to find the Citadel. It is a fairly easy climb with only a few hundred stairs. And remember, if you're feeling tired, there's people in this town that still have 730 kilometers to go on their walk. Now, if you time your holiday correctly and you can be here on a Sunday, you're going to get to enjoy one of the best artisanal markets in the region, where you should try as many things as you can possibly fit into your stomach. From beers to wines to cheeses to honeys to fruits, if you can afford it, you should buy it and taste it. And if you're in the market to see more than just what Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port has to offer, it is very close to some other really cool spots in the region. Only 59 minutes away by car, Saint-Jean-de-Luz is the perfect spot to soak in the Atlantic Ocean and take in a little bit of the Basque culture at the same time. Only 53 minutes away from Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port is the village of Navarrenx, which is also on the Camino de Compostela, and just like Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, is one of the villages from the Association des plus beaux villages de France, one of the most beautiful villages in France. 37 minutes away from Saint-Jean, you are going to find the amazing village of Espelette. This is where you're going to find the famous piment d'Espelette, which is a bit of an oxymoron because French people typically don't like spicy food, so maybe the Basque Country really should be its own country. Let us know what you think in the comments below. 43 minutes away from Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, you're going to find Ainhoa, which is another village from the plus beaux villages de France. This one you can see those typical red shutters with white walls standing out like a white guy in the Olympic 100-meter final. And if you venture outside of these urban environments, the Basque Country is a perfect spot to have incredible wildlife encounters. At the end of the day, Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port is really the heart of the Basque Country, and this is the best place for you to soak up that beautiful Basque culture.